Love is a festival that transcends the everyday and turns it into a charming, city-wide sense of connectedness. Love is a walk through Ljubljana's Old Town. It's all the locks on the Butcher's Bridge and counting the birdhouses on Wolfover Street. Love is visiting Mao on a sunny February afternoon. Love is the silence in the City Museum and the Saturday bustle in front of Narmo. Love is a cake for two and a luxurious Valentine's dinner. Or a romantic selfie at Ljubljana Castle. Love is the moment when an open-air gallery reveals a new corner of the city. Love is a first date at Anna Sershna. It's being lost in good music and dancing at Gregor's Ball at the castle. Love is creativity. It's floating paper lanterns down the Gradeshchitsa and an evening concert by the river. Love is the joy of new experiences. Love is Ljubljana. Welcome to LUV Fest. Events, themed guided tours, culture and art experiences, and fine cuisine at various locations around the city. From February 8th to March 12th. Keep up with LUV Fest at visitljubljana.com.